Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's Taylor. Today we're going to be doing the spring edit of the Walmart beauty box. So yeah, but first, if you guys like the makeup look or the lashes, the look will be going up eventually. But the lashes are from Mingitai's brand, Moolah Rose Cosmetics. These are our Shoujo manga lashes in the, not shade, in the style Yua. This is what they look, well, this is the box. This is what they look like. If you guys are interested, I'll leave a link down below, but on to the video. First up, we have the Nair Body Cream Hair Remover in Soothing Aloe and Water Lily. The full size is 2.87 ounces and it retails for $5.48. It's like my second time getting a bottle of Nair in this box. Like last time it didn't work. I don't think it was that scent, but I feel like last time it didn't do anything, so we'll see. Next up we have the Half Smooth Plus Tea Tree Oil Scalp Care Shampoo Conditioner. The full size is $7.97 and you get 16 fluid ounces. Little shampoo and conditioner sample. I really like getting these in certain boxes. I like to use them for like my wigs and extensions and stuff, but on my natural hair, probably not. I have a very specific hair routine. Next up we have the Guru Nana Teeth Whitening Strips. The full size is 14 pieces, so this is the full size and it retails for $10.47. These have coconut oil in them. Me and coconut oil do not get along, so I will not be using these, but Kentaya probably will, so if you follow her on TikTok, maybe she'll let you know how she likes them. Just saying, maybe you should go follow her on TikTok. And while you're over there, go follow me too. Next up, we have the Gold Bond Age Renew Retinol Overnight Body and Face Lotion. The full size is $11.97 and you get 1.7 fluid ounces. Just your basic face and body lotion. I like to keep these inside my purse because my hands get dry, so. I don't know how I feel about it being a face and body lotion. I don't know. It wouldn't be going on my face. I think I have used this on my face. Maybe not this one, but I know I used one on my face. I didn't like it, so I'll stick to my Cosrx moisturizer person. Next up, we have this Purifying Foaming Cleanser by La Roche-Posay. You get 13.52 fluid ounces and it retails for $19.97. This is what it looks like. It says that it's a gentle daily cleanser for normal to oily, sensitive skin. I have more normal skin, but I'm interested to try this, so look out for it in my empties video. Next up, we have the Good Molecules Yerba Made Wake Up Eye Gel. The full size retails for $5.97. It looks like I might be interested in this. I always see it when I go to Ulta, so yeah, I'm excited to try this too. Right now, I'm currently using the Cosrx eye cream, but after I finish that one, I'm gonna give this one a try and see how I like it. Now, this one has caffeine and what else is in there? Yeah, it has caffeine, hyaluronic acid, sunflower seed oil, so I'm excited. Next up, we have a perfume by a brand that I can't pronounce, but it has notes of rose, orange, and vanilla. I like vanilla, so that's what the bottle looks like. Let's give it a little test and see. This is the last item, by the way. Let's see. Not what I would typically go for, but I feel like I can smell all the scent notes in there, so it's giving old lady. Specifically, it's giving old white lady, but it's a no for me, dog. So yeah, that's all for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. This wasn't my favorite box, but the lotion I can use, I can just throw that in my purse, and then I'm excited about the eye cream and the face wash. So yeah, that's all for the video. If you guys want to check out the box or get your own, I'll leave a link down below for you. You guys want to check out Kentaya's anime kawaii theme makeup brand, then yeah, there's a link for that too. That's all for the video, and bye guys.